Struggling to reach those top shelves or need a boost for everyday tasks? In this video, we're diving into the best step stools that combine safety, style, and functionality. We upload quality videos daily to help you discover the perfect products for your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart picks. Number 1. Little Giant Ladders, 3-Step Jumbo Step Stool. This 3-step Little Giant Ladder step stool is an excellent option for those who need a good amount of height in a small package, such as DIYers or on-the-job users. This aluminum step ladder has 3 wide steps, and the top step is 26 inches high. Unlike the other step stools we tested, the Little Giant Ladder stool has a broad design that feels more like a staircase. It was easy to climb up the steps even with our hands full of tools and paint cans. The large platform steps feature a non-slip surface, and the broad-like design provides stability and support. The step stool didn't wobble or threaten to tip as we climbed, jumped, and leaned to the sides. This model can be used with or without the safety handrail. The rail is easy to raise and lower to suit the specific task. We preferred the rail in the raised position because it has an integrated tool tray that holds small tools. When the job is complete, this stool folds flat for storage, although we found it to be a bit bulky for storing in an indoor closet. It's probably better suited to storing in a garage, storage shed, or basement. Number 2. Kramer Kickstep Steel Step Stool. The Kramer Kickstep Steel Step Stool is immediately recognizable for its distinctive round shape and rolling design. Users can push this heavy-duty step stool along with a foot and then step on when it's in the right position. Shoppers who haven't used one of these step stools before will want to know that it takes a little getting used to. But many users note that once they got the hang of it, they found this stool to be indispensable for tasks or projects that require frequently stepping up in different spots. This model is made of solid steel with a scratch-resistant powder coating and is available in a variety of colors. Wraparound bumpers protect nearby walls and furniture, as well as the stool itself, from damage. It doesn't come with a handle, so users will want to be confident in their ability to step up and down without holding on to something for support. Number 3. Maxworks Foldable Aluminum Platform Step Stool. This folding step stool proved to be a sturdy assistant in our tests. While the Maxworks Platform Step Stool lacks a handle, it remains a reliable choice for painting, drywall taping, and other tasks around the home or job site. The platform features extruded aluminum construction and a durable anodized finish for longevity and sturdiness. The impressive load capacity of 350 pounds makes it suitable for most users. With a top step height of 8 inches, this small step stool is suitable for several just-out-of-reach needs, such as hanging pictures and painting at the top of standard 8-foot walls. The thoughtful design incorporates folding legs and a built-in carry strap for easy transport and compact storage. We could easily fit it in our truck toolbox. This model weighs a mere 3.5 pounds, so carrying it from spot to spot is a cinch. Non-marring rubber feet on each leg keep it from slipping on hard, slick floors. The platform size of 18 inches long by 12 inches wide provides a spacious working area, and it didn't wobble even when we jumped on it. Number 4. HB Tower 2-Step Folding Ladder. The HB Tower step stool offers several safety and convenience features, making it an excellent step stool for many homes. With an impressively high weight limit of 500 pounds, this model can easily support most users plus their tools. Its strength comes from the alloy steel frame, paired with large rubber padded feet to keep it safely in place and prevent damage to flooring. We found the HB Tower step stool easy to carry at 9.24 pounds, and we liked the padded top rail grip that was soft to the touch. Plus, we appreciated the padding when we fetched this step stool from the bitterly cold garage for testing. It kept us from having to grab the cold metal. This 2-step stool measures 18.7 inches tall to the top step, which is just about right for most household tasks. We stood on the stool, leaned to the sides, and even jumped, and it held firm. Number 5. Rubbermaid 2-Step Steel Step Stool. The Rubbermaid 2-Step Stool was another winner in our tests. Best of all, it comes at an affordable price point. Manufactured from sleek tube steel, this step stool is smooth to the touch, and it's actually kind of attractive, whereas many step stools offer a strictly utilitarian look. Featuring a metal step stool frame, this model combines sturdiness, ease of use, and portability. It weighs 10.5 pounds, and we found it simple to carry. The top rail features a non-slip rubber grit for extra security when stepping up and down, and the non-slip rubber feet didn't shift or slick, even on slick flooring. The step stool locks in the open position for safety during use. It's also easy to fold. Simply press a little latch on the back side of the top step.